Morning, morning. Looking for, there's no echo. Okay, think we're good now. What a crazy move yesterday. Crazy, crazy. Um, okay, you guys have my watch list. What I'm looking to trade today. I'm gonna take profits on snow because I had some snow weeklies, but my main ones are for next week. So, and the weeklies are up almost 50%. So yeah, I'm taking profits on the weeklies, but my main ones are for next week. Let's see. Okay, Apple is very, very strong. Microsoft, very weak. The 192 stop loss? What? I re-enter it. I did sell and then I re-enter it. I call it out here that I re-entered snow or on Discord. Don't remember. Hmm, okay. Yeah. Okay, just let's see. Let's wait until the market calms down a little bit and see if we can get any pullback to good entries for good entries. Yeah, I like Apple. It's just like Apple. It's just gone. What the- Everything, everything but Netflix and Microsoft are just gone. What's going on with Netflix? Any news with Netflix? Is it just me or my Discord app or anybody has like troubles with Discord on Mac? No, I said before I closed the stream, I said that I wanted Snow to hold this area here. So this was, I said it very clear. I want Snow to hold this area here, my support. And it held my support. And in fact, that's where I bought the weeklies. So no, I didn't sell here. I said Snow needs to hold. I wanted to see this support here. And yeah, I didn't sell yesterday. And also it's very clear here. Snow, stop loss, under my support, green area. That area here, green area. Never went under. I don't trade Forex. I don't do Forex. Okay, so stop. So if snow, it's gonna hold this support here, which was my resistance. Um, is extremely bullish, but I'm taking more profits here. The spreads are huge on snow. Yeah, I'm up 80% on the weeklies, and for next week, oh, those are up 38%. Okay, so let's see. Yeah, Apple, like I need some either a consolidation here or maybe a pullback to 198. But I don't know with SPY and the Q having a gap below. I kind of want to see SPY and the Q filling this little gap here that it made from yesterday's close till yes today's open. So and hold there. Okay, let's see what. So my watch list is you guys have it on my Discord. Coin, AMD, Microsoft, Roku, and that's it. That's my watch list. And I had an alert on Netflix, so that one is gonna be on I'm gonna be looking at that one too. Okay, AMD 140. Let's see how AMD is gonna react here. We wanna see it holding 140. Like pretty much I'll wait for a break and retest there. Ooh, Roku. I'm so mad with Roku because the tray, like the TA was perfect. It just like you wick me out here with this weird candle, this weird move here, but it held 100, which was my stop loss at the end. So on the daily, and look the break of the flag. Now for me, I think it's too late. But Roku, yeah, I hate you. So now I will wait until it breaks this resistance here and use it as support, and I look for a move towards 111. But here it's too late. Yeah, Roku is just too late. It's too late. Just like NVIDIA, AMD. We need to wait for a pullback here. I'm gonna be really patient today. For me, like I had a huge last few weeks, so there's no need for me to rush on everything that is moving. I'm gonna wait and see. I'm gonna just wait for good entries. Hi. Thank you for the like. I don't do forex. I don't do currencies. I do options and futures. I don't do forex. Mm, Mm. Okay. This is what I'm looking right now. If SPY can hold this pre-market high, I'm looking to play the upside. The same with the Q. I want to see both the SPY and the Q really holding this pre-market high support. Same with Apple 198. AMD, I want to see kind of a pullback to 140 and really show me that it's gonna act as support. Snow 198 is a good entry here. If you're not on snow, you might be able to enter here and use your stop loss morning low. But I will wait a little bit and see, yeah, if it's really gonna hold there. 198. Apple is another one, looks pretty good, but I don't know. I think I'm good holding my snow for next week. I'm good with that. But yeah, Apple is like um flagging. It looks like it's flagging. And snow is moving very good so far. Ooh, Microsoft, what's going on? Why Microsoft is so dead? Look at this. This 374 rejection. It's weird. It's weird. Tesla. Let's see what Tesla doing. It's right at resistance. So I wouldn't say it's crazy. Only four, it's like only $3 up, which is nothing for Tesla. And it's right at resistance. So I would not enter Tesla here unless it's using I'm sorry, 246.80 support. But here it's right at resistance. Like, look at this. For me, Tesla is a mess. Look at this daily. I'm not saying you cannot trade it, but for me, this is a mess. Unless you buy here, 231, or you buy after it breaks this resistance, this is not an A+ setup for me. In fact, I like Tesla here for the downside, but I'm not looking to play any puts on anything. I prefer to wait and see for a pullback and enter to play the upside because the market is extremely bullish. So I'm kind of I want to play with I want to trade with the trend. The only thing that I'm mad, it's Roku. Roku is the one because the TA was very good. It just like it gave us this weird candle fake out to 98. AMD is being AMD. But if I don't see SPY in the queue, like holding above pre-market high, I will wait until it goes down and fill those gaps, those morning gaps that it made from the open, and then see how it's gonna react to that. So pretty much I'm waiting for a SPY in the queue to go to yesterday high and see if it's gonna hold there or breaks pre-market high and use it as support. So basically this. Basically I'm waiting for SPY in the queue to do what I post on my pre-market plan on everything. Here. It was up pre-market, like it gave you a gap, waiting until it goes down to either more yesterday high, so here, yesterday high, or 466. And the same thing with the Q. After the gap in the morning, waiting for the Q to either go back down, fill the gap to yesterday high or 400, which I don't think it's gonna happen, but if not, it doesn't go lower and fill those gap. Um, I need to wait for a break of this morning high here, pre-market high. So basically, um, this this break here, because it doesn't break that, it just can like get you out of this if you're looking to play calls or the upside. But it might do it because Apple it's holding very good. And the AMD is going crazy. Nvidia. mm, I don't know, it's not the cleanest chart. Like the daily, I looked for trades on the daily chart. If I like the daily chart, I look to play it, but I don't know, Nvidia. You can say if holds 480, it's bullish, which is today's low. It's bullish, but would I look to play this? No. For me, it's not an A plus setup. Mm. I like Snow. Snow is looking great so far. If it keeps holding this 198 level, I think it's extremely bullish. But again, I want to see what's the market gonna do here. And if the market can break this level, I'm gonna go with the Q. Yeah, AMD is going crazy, but it's too late for me to enter. Unless it gives me a retest of 140. Mm. So yeah, the tag is pretty bullish. Mm. But I want to see a SPY breaking this level here. Oh, should be red. In fact, I want to see a SPY in the queue going lower. I want to see them going down. Give me a little pullback. I don't know if that's gonna happen. But I'm just gonna be patient here and wait. Coin was a beauty. Like, look at this. Went back down, retest yesterday high, held that like a support, and now it's going higher. But I have an alert around 148 for a coin, and let's see if it's gonna go down there. I like coin if it can go to 148. If not, I think I'll miss that play. Okay, so Roku 108. Roku's just on my level. But I would not enter any calls right now. In fact, I kind of like the downside here, but I'm not gonna play the downside on futures. So any entry is okay as long as you know what's your stop loss, what's your plan. Or if you have a plan like pre-market and follow your plan. So just like me, I have a plan with AMD. So, okay, wait. Okay, so these were, I was looking to play Roku, Microsoft, AMD, or Coin. So I just follow my plan. What was my plan on AMD? Either waiting for a pullback to yesterday high or a pullback to 136 or a retest or a break and retest of 140. And maybe it's giving you right now that retest on 140. I just don't love how the Q and SPY are looking right now to play the upside on anything, even if the AMD just holds there and goes higher. That's fine for me. Like, I'm good being patient and waiting for trades to come to me, not the other way around. Another one, coin, right? So coin was up pre-market. My plan was to either wait for a coin to go back down to yesterday high or to 147, 148. So this level here. What's coin doing? Went back down to yesterday high. I missed that entry, so I'm not in. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wait for it to see if coin can go back down, can go down to 148, 147, which is my level. If I miss this trade, I missed it. That's fine for me too. What else? Microsoft. So Microsoft, I was looking for um Microsoft's dead. This was the play to the downside because the Q is dying. Microsoft, because it's been so weak, it's dying even more. So what was my plan here? Looking for a hold of 374, 374.40, which was this level here of support where Microsoft closed yesterday. So it was either if it holds here, I was looking to play the upside. If not, the rejection here, which I missed it again. And look, this is so the key here is to have a plan pre-market. Follow your plan. If you miss your entry, it's fine. We have a bunch of more days to trade, and I'm already having a huge day thanks to snow. I'm having a huge month thanks to a bunch of stuff. I'm having a huge week, so there's no need to rush anything. Patient for me is key. Also, if you guys been here for a few, like since the beginning or for a few days, you guys should know that I don't trade like the first few minutes of the market open, and I just wait for my levels. That's it. And I'm not looking to scalp, like putting my money on risk for a quick 5%, 10% scalp. I'm the way that I trade is to get in at important levels so I can get a big move. So I put in a little bit money on risk to get a big return. It's just how I like to trade. Especially with the market, how the market has been moving. The market has been moving on a way that it's trendy. So it's extremely easy to swing trade or catch big move. I don't think the next month or maybe next 2 months, like next year, the beginning of next year is gonna be that easy. So we gotta take advantage of when the market is giving you like really easy plays. What? I really want to know what's going on with Microsoft. No idea why Microsoft is so weak. No, it's not. No, it's not. And I think I'm gonna trade tomorrow. It depends how the market reacts today. I'm might trade tomorrow. AMD is tempting me here. It's tempting me here. Yeah, I'm gonna start buying AMD. For next week. Let's see. I'm gonna go in the money. 140. 140 in the money for next week. If it goes down to 140, I'll add more. So I think AMD can go to 140. So I just bought a very small position there. So if it goes up, that's fine. It's a small gains. But if it goes lower, I'm gonna add more. My stop loss is gonna be 139 point, around 139.50. So, okay. So basically so my stop loss is gonna be this. I want AMD to hold this. That's my stop loss. It doesn't hold that, I'm getting out. Apple is looking pretty good. Oh, okay. Thank you, Donnie. Thank you. Mm, the market is doing nothing. It's doing nothing. Hi. I'm looking for this is the one that I really wanna see. So let me take this out. This 470 that I talked about yesterday on Netflix. That's if Netflix goes back down to around 470 and holds here, that's a very, very clean break and retest. Very clean break and retest. It looks like it's gonna go there. Yeah, that's an alert that I have. Ooh, AMD. No, it's not holding pre-market high. It's rejecting pre-market high. It's under pre-market high. Mm. So who's making money today? Very weird day. Okay, so what I see is like Netflix is down, Amazon is down, Google, Meta, um, Microsoft are down, are red. Snow is barely green. Roku is up a lot. AMD green. Coin is green, but it's kind of flat. Apple big green. Nvidia just there. It's green, but it's just there. Tesla going crazy. The Tesla broke. Like, let's see if Tesla broke my resistance. Oh yeah. Mm-mm-mm. Now I like it more here, Tesla. But still, I'll wait until the candle, like the daily candle close. So basically, I wait for Tesla for tomorrow and see if it's really, really gonna close holding this resistance as support. I wanna see a clear break of this resistance first. Yeah, I had more than one payout from Apex. I've been using Apex for 3 months already, and I love it. Yeah, I did. I did. Not on futures. On options, yeah. But I think now with this move is when you're gonna get good entries. This was too clean. That was just too clean. Anybody got this rejection here? This was too easy. Okay, so now I want to see some consolidation here on the queue, and I'll be looking to play the upside here. If can hold this level here. So it's basically SPY still needs to go a little bit more down. Mm, 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 mm. So, okay, so my next trades that I'm looking, like the next one that I'm looking to trade is the Q, if can hold yesterday high. I'm looking for the 470 hold on around 470, 472 on Netflix and 148 on the Q. So I'm basically waiting for a break and retest on the daily for Netflix and AM and coin. Let's put it here. No, let's put Netflix because Netflix is looking pretty good. Yes. Okay, where is it? Where is it? Okay, I'm gonna start buying here on the Q on futures. I like that level. It could go a little bit lower because the SPY still needs to go a little bit lower here to fill this gap. Apple is looking great. It's kind of flagging. Mm, 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 mm. You guys on anything? Or you're done for the day? Because I see a lot of people that are already done. Nice. The weather is so bad here right now in Miami. We have a storm. It's gonna rain the entire weekend. The entire day is just gray. How long do you trade future? I've been trading futures, I think now for 3 months. Yeah, I started in September. September, October, November. Yeah, October, November, December. 3 months. Mm-mm. I got a mini. What's going on with AMD? AMD is dying now. Oh yeah, I hate snow. No, I'm not adding. I already have my position on AMD. Well, I don't know. I don't know because I don't like that candle. If it was just like a slow grind to the downside, it will be different than just be two engulfing candles. I don't know. Well, but I do like that reaction there. So if this 5 minute candle closes like that, that's very bullish. Okay. Netflix. Hi, hi. Hi, hi. But yeah, that's a pretty good reaction on AMD. I don't like what the Q is doing. Mm, but we'll see, we'll see. Ooh, it's Microsoft. Microsoft and Apple are going down a lot. Microsoft is dead. Mm, mm, mm. I'm getting out of everything. I'm getting out. So, on everything on futures. Yeah. Okay, so Netflix. Hmm. So this is a, let's see, $600 loss on futures with only one account. And I honestly think I got out too early. But it's looking weak. It's looking pretty weak. I don't like how Apple is looking so. I got out because I don't like how Apple like lost this structure here. And Microsoft is looking extremely weak. So if Apple goes back up, it's very choppy, very, very choppy because it lost this structure here. That's why I got out before my stop loss. I don't know if it was a good move or not. It looks like it's trying to hold. Let's see. Okay, so Netflix, it's at my level. We want to see some bullish candle here or some consolidation. Okay, I got back in here. With 1 minute. Um, I'm gonna put a around 200 stop loss. $200 stop loss. I just like this hold here. I kind of mad at myself because I did not respect my plan, which was only like selling if it was losing my level here. It never went under my level. So that was a bad exit. Morning, morning. My morning's been pretty good besides this trade, but it's been pretty good. I made a lot of money on snow. No, I don't do TLT. Mm, 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 mm. Mm. Give me 1 second, guys. I need to see how. I need to pay attention right now to my trade here. Okay. Yeah, Netflix below 470, which is why I haven't taken Netflix. Okay, that's it. I'm out. Okay, really bad day with futures, but very good day with options. Let me post this. I have 15, but I was only trading with one. The trade was to play this short here. And trade was to thank you. Okay, guys. So yeah, red day with futures, green with options. I don't think I'm gonna keep trading today. So I'm holding AMD unless it breaks this support here, my green area here. And yeah, I'm gonna go eat my breakfast and head to the gym, keeping the day green. That's up to you if you wanna be on AMD or not. I'm following my plan. And you should not be trading AMD if you don't know what's the plan. I always say this, and I'm gonna keep saying it. If you're on a trade, you should know what's the stop loss. So forget about what I said or when I enter. If you want to trade anything, you should know what's the stop loss. So asking me if the plan is still holding AMD, you shouldn't be trading that. If the Q holds here, I'm gonna be so mad. I can put it something like this, maybe a little bit lower, but it's looking pretty weak. I think the Q is weaker because Microsoft is very very bearish. I think Apple is not holding either. Well, Apple is just there. It's doing nothing. Apple is just there, doing nothing. Uh, so the Q is weaker than SPY, but SPY is slowly grinding to this gap here, this level that I talked about before. So I think as long as SPY is going lower, like slowly lower, the Q is gonna keep going a little bit faster because Apple, and we have a few tech stocks that are just looking bearish just for today. I'm not bearish for tomorrow or next week. In fact, I really, really like that everything is pulling back down so we can have a good entry tomorrow. So ideally for me, it will be, yeah, a red day today on SPY and the Q. That will be perfect, or a definitely that pull back to these two levels that I have and then hold there so we can play the upside. So basically waiting for this would be a break and retest on everything. So 470 on Netflix, 140 on AMD. Apple, it will be, I think, 196 is the level. Let me check. Oh, 198 on Apple, 198. What else? What else? Snow is rejecting this 200 level, so I think it might go back down to 194, maybe. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see what's gonna happen here. I'm gonna wait a little bit and see for if Netflix is gonna hold this level. And for AMD to see if it's gonna hold here. Which it doesn't look like, we'll see. QRE, QRE, what's that? Banking ETF? I don't know what what you want me to say on this. That's a ugly, weird rejection candle. It looks like it's gonna go back down and fill this gap, Donnie. Look for the gap fill. That's what I'm looking on this chart. And it has a head and shoulder. Clear head and shoulder with an ugly daily candle so far. So yeah, if it breaks the neck, this neck, it's gonna fill the gap. Mm, Ooh, AMD is gonna stop me out. Yeah, I'm getting out of AMD. I don't like that move there. Okay, so not so much luck today. I don't know if I'm gonna be back here tomorrow. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna try last trade with a new account. Not a new account, like another account. Just one also. I'm playing the upside here on the queue. Let's see what's Apple doing. Okay, I like that Apple is holding here. And Microsoft is still very weak. Netflix still no signs of holding my level. Let's see if we have any luck here, because technically the Q should bounce here. It's just that I don't love that SPA is still not, like, it didn't fill the entire gap. Yeah, but Nvidia, I don't like the daily chart, so I don't want to trade Nvidia. I only trade Nvidia if I see like an A plus setup. If not, it's too risky, too expensive to just scalp Nvidia. Mm, Okay. Okay, okay. I like that move. I like that move. Let's see if the Q can go back to today's high. I like that move on Apple. Microsoft is also curling up. 16,800. And Q. Why do I have NQ going lower, but the Q going higher? What's going on? Why? I don't understand that. Oh, maybe contracts. But yeah. Oh, no, no, no. Okay, okay. I think AMD just faked me out. Oh, it's trying to hold this level here. It just faked me out. I hate you. But whatever. I'm getting out there. This is starting to look too choppy for me. So I got out. I got out there. And I'm done. I'm done for the day. I don't want to keep trading this. I was waiting for a cleaner day. Yeah. Thank you. Yeah. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for being here. Um, am I gonna be tomorrow here? I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna be tomorrow here, but you guys will know if you are on my Discord and you see the notification here. If you see a notification here, it means I'll be here. Well, yeah, the market is like choppy. I was really expecting more like cleaner, um, yeah, cleaner trade here. Even though I like it with the Q, I like what the Q is doing. I like that it's holding this level here. It might just boom boom here. I just don't like what SPY is doing. And what else? Yeah. Mhm. Yeah, so I'm seeing Netflix here, but I need like a better better candles at my level. So far it's looking bearish. So far. It's not holding 370. So if it doesn't hold 370, the next one is around 365, 366. But I don't like that level. I prefer to see Netflix holding 370. If I see it holding 370, I'm gonna get in calls here for next week. But yeah, I'm done for today, guys. Maybe see you tomorrow. If not, I will see you guys on Monday. Yeah, see you on Monday. Bye.